Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Sentra with remote. First, make sure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial safety step before you attempt to use the remote start function. Also, confirm all doors are securely closed. The system is designed to operate only when these conditions are met, ensuring your car is safe and ready to go. To begin, press the lock button on your key fob one time. Immediately after, within about 5 seconds, press and hold the remote start button. This button often has a circular arrow icon. Continue holding it for at least 2 seconds until you see the parking lights flash and hear the engine start. It's a simple 2-step process. Once activated, your Sentra's engine will run for approximately 10 minutes. If you need more time, you can extend this by simply repeating the remote start process. However, be aware that if any door is opened after the engine has started remotely, the engine will automatically shut off as a safety measure. This prevents unauthorized entry. If your remote start isn't working, first check your fuel level. A low tank can prevent activation. Also, ensure your hood is completely closed and latched, as this is another common safety interlock. Sometimes, simply trying again after a few moments can resolve minor glitches. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.